Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Day Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 3. And our today's topic, writing in words. Our today's lesson number 29 and HW number 27. Dear students, you have already got one class related to this topic. This is a repeated class for you, and our today's CW is your HW also. Now the students, let us start our today's class. Here 10 numbers are given and numbers are written using digits. We have to write the numbers using English alphabetical symbols. First number is 238. 238 TW 230 THIRTY 38 EIGHT. Now second number 957. 9 NINE 957 FIFTY SEVEN 57. Third number is 699. SIX 699. 99. And our next number is 7568. 7000 SEVEN 7 THOUS AND 7500 FIVE 500 HUNDRED 500. Then 62 SIXTY 62 TW2. And our next number 8300. 8000 EIGHT 8000 THOUSAND 8300 THREE 300 HUNDRED. Our next number 2020. 2020 TW2 1000 THOUSAND 2020 TWENTY. Now next number 6899. 6000 SIX 6000 THOUSAND 6800 EIGHT 800 HUNDRED 100. And 99 NINETY 99 NINE. Dear students, our next number is 7109. 7000 SEVEN 7000 THOUSAND 7100 109 NINE. Our next number 2585. 2000 TWO2 THOUSAND 2500 FIBE 500 HUNDRED 500. And 85 EIGHTY 85 FIBE 85. And our last number is it's 10,000. 10,000. T-E-N, 10, T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D, 10,000. Dear the students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Do your SW properly. Your SW is very important for you. You know that you will get your diary marks, SBA marks and CT marks based on your SW. So, do SW carefully. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.